From 16th to 19th January, AFROPLAST 2025, the Africa-Egypt International Plastics and Rubber Exhibition was held at the Cairo International Conference Center in Cairo, Egypt. As a leading enterprise of intelligent injection molding equipment manufacturer and intelligent service provider in China, Borche participated in the exhibition with two models of its universal type interconnected IMM BI-130M and BI-260M. On site, it dynamically demonstrated an intelligent injection molding for children's toys, attracting numerous professional visitors. This exhibition marked the debut of Borche's universal type interconnected IMM BIM series in Egypt. This universal type interconnected IMM is a new upgrade from the classic injection molding machine after 20 years of research and development. With its strong power, precise control, stable operation, and high versatility, it fully showcases Borche's technical strength. In the field of intelligent manufacturing, Borche has been deeply engaged in the Egyptian market for nearly 20 years. Its products have won wide recognition and trust from many customers, enjoying a good reputation in the Egyptian market. In the future, Borche will continue to deepen its exploration in the African market, further promote the global Borche strategy, and continuously provide high-quality, intelligent injection molding equipment and turnkey solutions for global customers.